Hi there students! Today's class is another very helpful one as you will be learning about a life skill related software that is Microsoft Word and learning about its very useful features called mail merge. In business, it is often required to send the same letter to multiple people. To perform this task, you need to specify the name and address of each recipient in the letter. It would be a tedious and time-consuming process to specify the details in each letter. In such cases, we can use the mail merge feature of Microsoft Word where we will combine a list of addresses of different people with the main document to create letters for all recipients, meaning the receivers. Mail merge is a method of taking data from a spreadsheet software and merging it into a document. It enables users to develop personalized letters and greeting cards. Let's jump into the features of mail merge. First, the same document can be reused anytime. Second, it saves our time and energy to send the same document to multiple people. Next is, it is easy to make changes to a single letter instead of multiple documents. And lastly, you can create hundreds of documents quickly. Now about creating a mail merge document. Mail merge feature is used to save the time and efforts of typing the same document repeatedly. The two main documents, a master document and a document source file containing recipients' details are required to create a merged document. A master document usually contains the information that you want to send to all recipients. And the data source consists of the mailing list. It contains the recipient's details such as name, address, mobile number, city, and PIN code. The data source is merged with the main document so that the details in the data source can be used in the main document. Now, let us understand how using mail merge works overall. The process of mail merge involves the following steps, starting with creating the main document, then creating the data source, then merging the data source with the main document, and saving, printing, or sending the letters. Let's start executing the first step, which is creating the main document in detail. For this, begin by creating a new document in Word and type the letter that you want to send to many people. Then from the Mailing tab, select the Start Mail Merge option and select Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard from the drop-down menu. The Mail Merge task pane appears as shown below. Next, from the Mail Merge task pane, select the type of document you want to create. Then click Next, Starting Document to move to the next step. In this example, we'll select letters. Then select Use the current document option from the Mail Merge pane. Lastly, click on Next, select Recipients to move to the next step. And our next step being creating the data source for the letter. The address list can be an existing Excel workbook, or you can also type a new address list from within the Mail Merge wizard. Starting off from the Mail Merge task pane, select Use an existing list, then click on Browse. Then the Select Data Source dialog box appears as shown. Next, locate your file and click Open. Then select the worksheet and click on OK. Now, the Mail Merge Recipients window appears as shown. Next step is to then, in the Mail Merge Recipient window, select the recipient to whom you want to send the letter by checking or unchecking the boxes. By default, all recipients are selected. After finalizing the recipient list, click on OK. Now, click on Next, write your letter to move to the next step. Move on to the third stage, which is merging the data source with the main document. Begin by placing the insertion point in the document where you want the information to appear. Now, select the address block from the Mail Merge pane to include the recipient's details in the letter. the Insert Address block window appears below like this. Then click OK. A placeholder will now appear in your document like shown. Next, you need to add a greeting line. Place the cursor at the appropriate position and click on the greeting line from the Mail Merge pane. The greeting line placeholder will appear as shown. Now, click on Next. Preview your letters to move to the next step. Now, you can preview the letter to make sure the information for the recipient list appears correctly in the letters. You can use the left and right scroll arrows to view each version of the document. So then, click Next, complete the merge to complete the merge process. And now finally, let's move to the last step of successfully using Mail Merge, which is printing the letters. You can take the printouts of your letters with the merged data. To do that, first click on Print in the Mail Merge pane to print the letters. A dialog box, Merge to Printer, appears. Now, if you want to take the printout of all the letters, click the All option and click on OK. Finally, the Print dialog box appears. Specify the desired print settings if required, then click OK. The letter will get printed. And here we are, students. We have come to the end of our chapter Mail Merge MS Word. I am assured you all have learnt a great deal in today's class. See you in the next one. Until then, keep learning. Bye-bye.